Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking to upgrade your ride with better control and efficiency, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best clip-in mountain bike pedals, carefully chosen for their durability, performance, design, and real rider feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Crankbrothers Candy. First up, we have the Crankbrothers Candy, a pedal that hits that perfect balance between lightweight speed and rugged trail reliability. At just 294 grams per pair, these pedals are impressively light, but still tough enough to handle rough terrain. The composite body gives them a durable yet responsive feel, making long rides smoother and less fatiguing. One of the Candy's standout features is its 4-sided entry system, which means you can clip in quickly from virtually any angle. That design also does a fantastic job of shedding mud, so even when the trail gets sloppy, you're never fighting to engage your cleats. You'll notice the stamped steel wings on the sides. They provide extra stability underfoot while maintaining a secure clip-in feel. The premium brass cleats come with shims, allowing you to customize your float and release angle for the perfect fit. The ribbed body also gives some grip when you're unclipped, offering better control when you need to coast through technical sections. Internally, the Candy is built like a tank. Chromoly steel spindle, stainless springs, IGUS bearings, and a double seal system for long-lasting, low-maintenance performance. And here's something rare. Crankbrothers backs it with a 5-year warranty. It's a clear sign of confidence in their build quality. Designed to pair perfectly with Crankbrothers shoes, the Candy pedals use the match system to ensure maximum power transfer and efficiency. Number 2. Crankbrothers Eggbeater. Next up, the minimalist marvel, the Crankbrothers Eggbeater. If you've ever looked at these and thought, how does that even work? Well, don't let the open design fool you. This is one of the most efficient and mud-resistant pedals ever made. Weighing just 290 grams per pair, the Eggbeater pedals are built from stamped steel with a simple, functional layout. Their unique 4-sided entry ensures that you can clip in from any direction, a huge plus when you're tackling technical terrain or trying to re-engage mid-climb. That open minimalist design also prevents mud, snow, or debris from clogging the mechanism, keeping every clip-in and release crisp and predictable. Like the Candy, they come with brass cleats and adjustable float options so you can fine-tune how much movement you prefer before release. The 52mm Q factor maintains an ergonomic stance that reduces knee strain and keeps your pedal stroke smooth. Inside, Crankbrothers keeps things consistent. Premium IGUS bearings, a chromoly spindle, and a double-sealed system for durability. They're also fully serviceable, so you can keep them performing like new for years. Pair them with Crankbrothers shoes using the match interface and you'll get that seamless, locked-in power transfer that riders love. If you want the ultimate lightweight pedal with zero fuss, unbeatable mud clearance, and a surprisingly strong feel underfoot, the Eggbeater might be your new go-to for XC, gravel, or trail riding. Number 3. BUCKLOS PD M680. Coming in at number 3, the BUCKLOS PD M680, a pedal built for versatility. If you switch between trail rides, commuting, or casual spins, these dual-sided SPD flat combo pedals are a dream. One side works with Shimano SPD cleats, not included, while the other is a traditional flat platform, perfect for regular shoes. That means you can go full performance on the weekend, then ride to work or hit the store without changing footwear. The platforms are CNC machined aluminum and measure about 98 by 88 millimeters, giving you a generous footprint and fantastic stability. 10 anti-skid pins on each side lock your foot in when you're riding flats, so you never feel like you're sliding off, even on wet trails. Inside, you'll find sealed bearings that keep the spin buttery smooth and resists dirt, water, and grit. A gasket system prevents noise and wear, keeping maintenance low. The standard 9/16 threads and clearly labeled L and R make installation foolproof. In short, the PD M680s are rugged, versatile, and perfect for riders who want one pedal that does it all. Whether you're on a mountain trail, gravel route, or just cruising the neighborhood, these pedals offer the right mix of comfort, traction, and efficient power transfer no matter what shoes you're wearing. Number 4. Clipless Clip-In Adapter Pedal. Now this next one's clever. The Clipless Clip-In Adapter Pedal isn't a traditional pedal, it's an adapter designed to transform your clipless setup into a flat platform in seconds. It's made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, compact at 75 by 65 millimeters, and strong enough to handle everyday riding. What makes it great is the compatibility. It works with pretty much every major clipless system: Shimano SPD and SPD SL, BUCKLOS, Crankbrothers Candy and Eggbeater, Time Attack, and even Speedplay. Here's the idea. If you already ride clipless but don't always want to wear cycling shoes, these adapters let you pop in a platform so you can pedal in sneakers. Perfect for running errands, short commutes, or casual rides without swapping out your pedals entirely. They provide a stable, slip-resistant surface and maintain that secure clip-in feel underneath. Installation takes seconds, and you can remove them just as quickly when it's time for a proper ride. It's a simple, affordable way to make your bike more flexible. No extra bikes, no extra pedal sets. For riders who split time between training and casual cruising, these adapters are a game changer. Lightweight, durable, and brilliantly practical, the Clipless Clip-In Adapter Pedal delivers convenience without compromise. Number 5. SPD Bike Pedals 9/16. Rounding out the list, the SPD Bike Pedals 9/16, a classic option for riders who value simplicity, efficiency, and proven SPD performance. These pedals weigh just 347 grams per pair, but don't let the lightweight fool you. They pack serious strength. Each set comes complete with pedals, cleats, washers, and Allen keys, so setup is quick and easy. The left pedal threads in counterclockwise, the right clockwise, and both have pre-threaded spindles that prevent cross-threading, a small but welcome detail that makes installation beginner-friendly. Built from aluminum alloy with a chrome moly spindle and sealed cartridge bearings, these pedals are made to last through heavy trail use. The sealed design keeps grit and water out, so the spin stays smooth over thousands of miles. Performance-wise, they deliver crisp, predictable engagement and excellent power transfer. The open channel layout helps shed mud and debris, keeping your connection reliable even on messy rides. You can adjust the entry and release tension to dial in exactly how tight or loose you want your clip-in feel. Riders love how responsive these pedals are, quick to engage, easy to exit, and solid under pressure. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best clip-in mountain bike pedals. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more cycling gear reviews and outdoor tech recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.